Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on a look that I did on my cousin Leslie a while back. I did the eyebrows off camera. I'm first setting the base with a neutral shade and then going in with a burnt orange shadow on the crease. To blend that out, I'm using the same brush I used to apply the neutral base. Next, I'm going to apply a dark brown shade on the outer V and again using the previous brushes to blend that out. I'm then creating a cut crease effect using a neutral shimmery pigment on the lid, making sure to blend it in with the dark brown. I'm using a gel liner to line the upper lash line and then coating the lashes with mascara. Next, I'm applying the falsies to finalize the eyes. I'm then using a flat buffer brush to apply her foundation all over her face and down to the neck. To apply the concealer, I'm using a flat, fluffy brush only under the eyes and on her T-zone and blending it out using the foundation brush I previously used. To set everything, I'm using a translucent powder. Next, I'm bronzing up the face on the forehead and cheekbones. I'm now contouring her nose to give her the finish she likes, making sure to blend it out using the same powder brush I used for the face. To give a cleaner contour look, I'm using powder to cut the cheeks and to enhance the contour of her nose. I then remove the powder almost immediately so that there isn't any flashback. I'm then using a small fluffy brush to apply shimmer highlight on the tops of her cheekbones, chin, and cupid's bow. I'm applying that same burnt orange shade to the lower lash line and then applying the dark brown closer to the lash line to smoke it out, making sure to blend every step of the way. I'm now dusting off the bake on her nose and applying a peachy apricot blush to help blend the highlight and bronzer. Now I'm using a big fluffy brush with no product on it to blend everything together. This ensures a flawless, seamless finish. I'm using that same shimmer highlight to highlight her inner tear ducts using a small flat brush. Last but not least, I'm lining the lips using a brown lip liner. And then I'm applying a nude liquid lipstick, making sure to blend it to the liner and then topping it off with a neutral gloss. I really hope you guys like this look. I'm so sick right now, but having people contact me asking when is my next upload was really all the motivation I needed. I appreciate the support that I've been getting and I will be posting every Wednesday. Please feel free to request what you would like to see next in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all once again. See you next week.